ner mala kenyam biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel neme dera update ka kwi Tumaini Peace Initiative ka kwi boni dangwan tin lat ka kam dien ka kuma South Sudan mente pin kirma yadit kana Dr. Yengma Chaten Durgon antama man banat ka jan gwas me dera update ka mana na shalat wichin binami Kenyam beje lad ye ka thoknath ka kor beje kwen ye ka thok English ko bene tin kon nok na me dongde kana linga do badan en lad ye ka je ngai ne je gwano Tumaini Peace Initiative kel mi liep ke longa tamare we ka so Sudan ke gwasan dial ko jen kel mi ken o bimal bino ke nongo hop ke ngat re wecha ka so Sudan ajem la ja gur ken o bete ka abden me ba linka do badan en le na ma roda ke je ban ne ban je chu linka do badan kan lat ke je Malen en lat kere wecha ka kiinya pin kume dung Kenya men rai ke William Ruto en mal lat ke shale Tumaini Peace Initiative mlono hope ki ngat ki men jagne dial ko dong da jen ngata dan kem men ngat ke dial ko dong ba mal ba jenong re wech so Sudan right en dana chalat you know right ko ngumi to kor re weka so Sudan ajana dana tana atenen tama ngoda kantara kanane jek dundo keni shika gwas mi tot chikana pai are mal kana moni ka do badana shalat ke jeshi minen yana magwas me kani tin konti la politician ni ki bondin content re wichin binami ka tin kana ngot ken right ken ke kan men dana de kula la conclusion ke mandele la guda ngoda kan jik duno kana te kan karai pass ke te kan ga do mo gwa ko ngoda linka rodien chechet ka gwasi dan mela kana gwach no michi ka gwach bela te ka rol ko ken ba dol ba la kap chong bunal wewe ngana je gwan wo en Tumaini Peace Initiative lat kare wi ke Kenya dung sa Sudanese mo ngode te ka bon ko ken te kan wore de en malam en shirka medan ron kin dang re dol ba de te ka bon de kanotin chu mena Tumaini Peace Initiative te ka bon de kanotin mu kuna la focus tana longan tama ke man tana jode ta danan len maro de je kam bontin kontin tere which ka Kenya tila bon South Sudanese la bon kume men te pin kirma yadit kana bon dan kana bon dan wantin chal ken wo United People Alliance bon to UPA chal ke UPA ki gwade dan pai ko din mat ko gwade pai we shuga ni chal chal UPA chal United People Alliance muluno ken a military organization mimo ala bon deni ken diali kana mat gwaskel jen chal ke UPA na gwata me bana menan jikana lat bana jelin kel ka do brani kala ga jekke English ko ngai ko na te ne italian ka don de gorno ba jelin ka tuk English ke don ku thoknath gwa an ban jelin kel the co-sharing of the Tumaini initiative on Monday by a head of delegation from government and opposition has created a positive atmosphere among the parties, according to a youth delegate to the Kenya-led South Sudan peace talk. Party Godi, who is representing you, say they listened to the government delegation on Monday about its response concerning the root cause of the conflict in the country. So we welcome the report which the government presented. The atmosphere was very warm and very friendly, and that session, in fact, is worthy to mention that it was co-chaired by General Kwal Manyang alongside General Paganda Mum. This is General Kwal Manyang, and this is General Paganda Mum. The response revolved around political and leadership issues, economic and resource management, social cohesion, structural and historical issues, and also geopolitics influencing the country. Yesterday or on Monday, we were able to hear directly from the government, and they provided a response across political and leadership issues, economic and resources management, social cohesion, structural and historical issue, and also influence of geopolitical influence in the country. According to Godi, it is encouraging that South Sudan can sit alone and discuss issues affecting the country without the mediation. I think that is a positive sign, and our people should receive this well. It is actually encouraging that we as a South Sudanese should be able to, without even the need for mediation, address some of the issues that continue to face us. He added, today the parties were supposed to convene and consolidate all their views and analysis on the agenda of root cause of conflict in South Sudan before constituting joint technical team. However, it has been adjourn it to Wednesday. Medical at Guasame, Dwaba Dana Dong de Mal de Lat Kajaman Shalini Win, Mancha Quenya, and Okatin, Chicken Ben Kadwama Guana General, Muda Card, Kukalano, a Dwabadian me to a Kurka Jerry, Wikas of Sudan, Karunkin Dang Road Jock, and no. Alo Gentai Dana Shalal Baka Runkin Dang Road Badek, me Walad to a Kur to a Gedi. Me to a Kurka Jen problem dung leadership ka kam self kim yadit kana Dr. Yuma chatting ko jene dan ne to kor ke je me kire chini self chi Dr. Yuma chatting choro do bichung na mo shural chwe chuno jene dan ne nakan were ja ki ku South Sudan ko lo re re ka je chumen wala ku kuje mo lamen dan gur kare wichin min mi kan bonditi adob dan dong de mal dar ben ka je gwa dundo nan kan tam di long mo dong de kan mal lel ko na meni just a matter of time ko shi kwerlar no chana mat chana te mat chana magwa chana lat ko en South Sudan mote chikan gor no bi kan lat ke chikan mal buno kan South Sudan che pit ke che boniam ajen kun ne ideal kwal chola tam Tumaini Peace Initiative ke hope me dung South Sudan ko de mal dere berede ko de ne te kon la bonte la politician de kan te kamal am ki kon me kan politician e ke la to tin ko ke jan no dong de ke South Sudan de kan no mal ko ngoda ba chikan la no dong de mal mo dere ben kelo de ajen kwal gu jeno name dong dere trajan final stage ko de kan ben ka o doba den benalo mara ka jamo ke doba den no ba ramadan an shirek chelat baje nyot doba dan jega chelat duno ngoda television kan benten ka conclusion ka joje longon mananan to ko korge jere ka South Sudan dino ku kon lat karodian ajen abde dan gorde kambia ngoda shikana kap ka shanga jok ka jok alarun ala shanga die ka payro ron kin dang rojen dang rodi shanga dan kan laro dera Saturday but checken en tam chikan nyok kap kurun an bana to gurun ban jele ling an biata ka mal bye bye